Hi, I'm Clint with Brace Tool, and I'm going to show you how we function test the KOT-1 Kickover tool in our shop. We'll take it from the way it's positioned in the vise right now, and I'll just rotate it so that the latch is facing upwards. And I just take a hammer handle. You can use a pipe wrench, something that's softer than your latch, of course, because you don't want to damage your latch. And then I just run it up against there good and stiff, like you're pretending you're in the well to run the tool. And that kicks the tool out, allowing your running tool or pulling tool to kick over into the side pocket. And then to re-cock your tool for rerunning, you would either change out to a pulling tool or a running tool, whichever one you're doing. Pull it up, lock it back down, and then it's ready to run again.